Okay, just so you guys know, at URDesigns, we know that work is complicated enough already. So stop wasting everyone's time doing things twice. Let us help make it easier with our time-saving applications. Basically, back to the problem, we're talking about business process improvement, and business processes are the one thing that your company needs and the one thing that your company has that actually sets it apart from everyone else. So I hear people talking about changing business processes, and sometimes they do it all willy-nilly and don't really go through some of the planning processes. But one thing you should make sure you don't do is, if you're buying software to replace a process, that you don't get a software that's so formed or canned to the point where it can't adapt to your business process, because your business process is what makes your company unique. So you want to make sure that you keep that uniqueness, but you also want to take advantage of other things out there that will help out. Okay, so back to the question. When should an application replace or change a process? Basically, there's several times when it might be necessary to do so. One would be if the application will save time. So in a nutshell, basically, if the application will stop someone from spending too much time on one piece, that's great. If the application will do something for that person so they don't have to do it, that's another reason to do it as well. In some cases, the person might be filling out paper, and then someone else is in the office keying the information in. That's a place where an application could really help out. So if the app will save time. The other place is if it reduces effort. So just like in the part where we're talking about where you're writing down on a piece of paper, and then you're taking that piece of paper and someone else is tracking, it's going through several processes, then it's coming back, and then someone is sitting down and they're actually entering the data in. That's a lot of effort. That's a lot of tracking that has to be done, and someone has to manage that process throughout. So that's what we refer to as reducing effort. If you can reduce that, then that's a great reason to look at a piece of software to do that. The other one would be as if it simplifies the process. So just to kind of give you an idea, if you're like me, your plate is full and you have more than enough to do in your busy day. Most of the people who work with you or work for you, your employees, are the same way, because otherwise you probably would give them something else to do so they would be, keep going during the day. So if they have so much that their job is overflowing on their plate, then what we're looking at is something that will simplify the process and make it easier for them to do the work that you wanted them to do in the first place. So if you can get a software or something that can actually reduce the amount of effort, reduce the amount of time, and reduce and simplify the process, make it easier, push button click to do a calculation where you don't have to have someone sitting down and burning extra brain cells to try to do it. You can do that way, and it really helps getting the software to do that. So, or having the software help with that business process. But truthfully, it's not replacing the business process. It's normally complementary to your business process. So that's what we really look for. So in summary, what we're looking for is the app will save time, it reduces effort, and it simplifies the process. Right? So as I said, at URDesigns, we know work is complicated enough already. Stop wasting time, stop wasting everyone's time doing things twice. Let us help make it easier with our time-saving applications.